Okay, I wanted to give you something to think about. I am not sure what all is going on, but this makes me wonder. Of course, I started following the travel State Department, the government State Department on Twitter. So just to take a look at March, that was March 26th. As part of our ongoing efforts, U.S. citizens overseas, we've created Twitter moment featuring our most frequent asked questions. But what I wanted to get to is they basically have requested all American citizens in other countries to come home. And I guess I'm thinking of all of our just different missionaries overseas. Okay, this is this was 1 hour ago at this time today. International commercial flights booked directly. They're asking all American U.S. citizens should make plans to return home now. I'm not trying to create panic, but it's like something is going on. And 14 hours ago, Cayman Islands, Chile, all these different countries. There again, U.S. citizens should make plans to return home. Okay, and of course they're using this pandemic. There again, I don't know what's going on, but it just makes me, something is going on behind the scenes. So again, I'm not trying to create panic, but something that does not meet the eye is going on. So, and I don't believe this is not specifically directed for just government citizens. This is for U.S. citizens in the different countries. So it's if you want to follow them, travel gov on Twitter. There again, I'm not trying to create panic, but something is not adding up. So just tossing that out there. Have a great day.